In this video, I want to do a quick reminder that Farm Credit Service Agencies has extended the application deadline to September 15th. So this is really the last chance to make the application. And that's really the first point I want to make. And then the second one is that they've actually expanded the items that qualify. For example, in our original video on announcing this several months ago, we had a question about sheep. The good news, after over 1,700 comments across the country, they've now decided that all sheep qualify. So the original video was correct, but here's the good news. If you've got an application in there with the government, with Farm Services, then you need to go back and consider modifying it. So again, step number one is this is the last chance to apply through September the 11th. And I think the next big item is to go into these specialty things. There's a whole list on the USDA website, but just so to give you a flavor to see if you need to go look again, here's a few items. Specialty crops like bananas, dates, dill, maple sap, parsley, pumpkins, turnips, upland wintercress, watercress, non-specialty, liquid eggs, frozen eggs, and all sheep, as I just said a moment ago. Before, only lambs and yearlings, I believe, qualified, but now all sheep. Aquatic, catfish, crayfish, largemouth bass, drums, salmons, so several fish items over in the nursery area. They do include nursery crops and cut flowers, and then they've added a few more commodities. Onions, peppermint, spearmint, walnuts, watermelon are now qualified. Onions also are included. So just in conclusion, just want to do a quick announcement as a reminder. One, if you haven't put an application in, please put it in. Your second payment should either be received or will be received here in the next 10 to 14 days. And if you have filed an application in one of these specialty items you have, then you need to either file a new application or amend your current application. Again, a couple of quick reminders, and by September 15th, unless you're doing a late application, you should have your second payment, 80% in the first payment, 20% in the next payment. I just got my 20% on my beef cattle operation. Thank you. Hope this helped. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.